Okay, so we're back and ready to flip our coins. All right, Mr. Rancourt, how about you begin with Ocean's contribution?
Okay. So I got a tails. So that means I'm going to write a little t right there.
And let's see about me. I also got tails, so I am going to record a little t right here. Now we're going to ask that you all do the same. So go ahead and for offspring 1, record Ocean's contribution as a little t and Lucy's contribution as a little t. All right, Mr. Rancourt, let's keep flipping.
Okay. Heads.
Heads.
So that's big T.
And big T. And Mr. Rancourt, don't forget to underline that big T.
Yep, thank you.
Okay.
I got a little T.
And I also got a little T.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. We keep getting the same
Did just
thing.
Fill in for you?
That'd be great. Yes.
Big T, big T.
Big
Cool.
T, big T. Okay.
Little T, little T.
Remember, we're putting little T's because we had tails.
Little T again. That's for number 6. Number 7 is big T, little t. Number 8 is big T, big T. Number 9 is little t,
big T.
Big T. Number 10 is big T, little t. Number 11 is little t, little t. Yeah, sorry.
No problem.
Number 12 is little t, little t. Number 13 is big T, big T. Number 14 is little t, little t. Number 15 is big T. Oh, big T. Big T, big T for number 15. Okay. Number 16 is little t, little t. Cool.
There goes mine a spinning.
Number 17 is big T, big T. Number 18 is big T, big T. Number 19 is little t, little t. Last one. Number 20 is big T, big T.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the allele combinations or the allele contributions from both Ocean and Lucy, and we're going to combine them in order to determine what the offspring's genes will be. Please recall, based upon the coin tossing model, that anytime a big T is present or a heads was flipped, that allele is always going to dominate the little letter or the tails. So anytime you have a capital T or a big T in the offspring's genes combination, the tail color is automatically going to be blue. So let's take a look at the very first one. We've got Ocean had a little t and Lucy had a little t. When we combine those, the offspring's genes are going to be little t, little t. Now remember, the only way that we can get an orange tail color is if we have two lowercase letters. Or two, as they referred to them, recessive or hidden traits. So because you've got two lowercase letters, this critter number 1 is going to end up with an orange tail. Let's look at critter number 2. Critter number 2 has a big T, big T. So their offspring's genes are going to be big T, big T. And remember, anytime we have a big T present, it's always going to trump anything else. Since we've got two big T's, the offspring's tail color will be blue. Please make sure that you are recording these findings on student sheet 4.1, just as Mr. Rancourt is demonstrating.
Okay, so number 3, little t and little t. So I'm going to write that right here, little t, little t. And you know that when you have two little t's together, it's always orange. Okay, I'm going to go a hair faster. Number 4 is big T, and that's going to be blue. Number 5 is little t, that's going to be orange.
And by the way, yes, you must write out the entire tail color. You don't get to abbreviate. We're in 8th grade, about to go on to the high school.
Yep.
And so we need to write things out completely.
So number 6 is also little t, and that's also going to be orange. Number 7 is big T, little t. And even though I have a little t here, remember what Mrs. Shelton said. Anytime you have a big T, doesn't matter how many, it's automatically blue. So big T plus little t always equals blue tail.
And the reason that is because the big T dominates the little t or overwhelms it. Okay. And so it's going to be blue.
So number 8 is big T. And you know, when you have the two big T's together, that's always blue, for sure blue. Number 9, I have little t, big T. And even though the little t comes first, I still have a big T. So it has to be blue. Okay. Number 10 is big T, little t. And even though I have a little t, I still have a big T, so that's blue. Okay. Number 11 is 2 little t's, so that means it's orange. Make sure you can see. Oh, there we go. Slide up a little bit. Number 12, 2 little t's, so it's also orange, just like number 11. Number 13 is 2 big T's, so you know that's blue. Number 14 is little t, and that's orange. Number 15 is big T, that's blue. Number 16 is little t, and that's orange. And I would go through here and double check these when you get done, because after you keep writing all these T's, it starts to get a little confusing, and it's easy to make mistakes. Number 17, big T is always blue. Number 18 is big T. That's blue also. Number 19 is little t. That's orange. And for number 20, I have one big T allele with another big T allele, and that together equals blue.